Hi, this is Mr. Barr, and today you're going to be doing an Edulastic CAASPP review. Here are your instructions. You need to get out your notebook, and in that notebook I need you to write down the numbers 1 and 2. 1 is this question, and question number 2 is actually going to be the next question in Edulastic. So write down question 1, and right away just write down video. Question 1 is this video. And question 2 is the instructions. So write this into your notebook right now. 1 video, 2 instructions. When you go to the next question in Edulastic, which is question number 2, this is question number 1, you will get any special instructions. Now those instructions might change depending on what topic we're doing. Maybe it's going to say you can't use a calculator. Maybe it's going to say get out a piece of graph paper. I'm not sure. Read those special instructions and write them down under number 2 instructions. What do I mean number 2 instructions? Up here, right? We already wrote down number 2 instructions, so write the instructions underneath that. So we've done question number 1, which is this video. We've done question number 2, which is writing down the instructions. You're now going to go on to questions 3 through whatever. You need to show work for every question in your notebook. You need to number every question. So 1, 2, 3. Do not pre-number it. Pre-numbering is not a wise thing to do. That's because if you pre-number, you don't know how much space you're going to need for a question. So when you do question 3, go to question 3, do it. After that, number question 4, do it. If there is no work, and sometimes there is no work, you're going to write down no work. And that's fine, and you'll go on to the next question. Be organized. Be incredibly organized. Why do you need to be organized? Here's why. I'm going to know which questions require work. And if you don't show work for those questions, you may not receive credit for this assignment. If you cannot easily find the work and explain it to me, you may not receive credit for this assignment. If I'm talking to you after the assignment and I ask you, hey, how did you do question number 7? If you say, oh, there was no work on that one, and I know there should be work, you might not get credit. If you can't find question number 7, you might not get credit. If you can find it, but you can't explain anything of what you did in an organized, logical way, you might not receive credit. That's what I'm looking for in the notebook. I expect you to show your work and be organized and be able to explain it to me. The questions are going to come in pairs. Question 3 will be paired with question 4. Question 5 will be paired with question 6. What does this mean? Well, the first question, like question 3, is going to have a whole bunch of hints associated with it. So if you get stuck, look at a hint. If you're still stuck, look at another hint. Hint, hint, hint. It'll help walk you through the problem. So that's the first problem. Then the next problem right after it will be a very similar type of problem, but with no hints. So they work together. The first question is there to help you and kind of teach you, and then the second question is there to see if you actually figured out how to do it. Good? That's it, I think. That's my last slide. Thank you for watching. Make sure you have your notebook out. You should already have question 1 and 2 written down. 1 is the video. 2 will be the instructions. You're going to go to question 2 in Edulastic, write down those instructions, and then do this review, this Edulastic CAASPP review. Thank you for watching.